beautiful place for these riders to spend some time outside in the warm weather. It has been so beautiful, Carly.
It has been awfully warm. We got to skip spring again, went straight to summertime yesterday. New record high temperature for our Saturday, 88 degrees, just beat that old record from 1907 of 87 degrees. And I think we definitely felt the heat yesterday. Our average this time of the year, really about 65. Now for today, don't think we're going to touch, tie, or break that record, and I think we're okay with that. That record high of 91, still 1907. Today the forecast high about 84, and again, average I'm saying at 65 because that's where most of us, even starting at that or above for this morning. So we really haven't dropped off a whole lot. Starting at 68 in Winston-Salem, 64 Reidsville, Greensboro, 70 still Burlington, Asheboro, and 61 in Galax. Our cool spot for this morning, North Wilkesboro, Martinsville, 58 to 59. Whether it's horseback riding, biking, maybe tennis, anything like that for this afternoon or headed out for today. Not a bad day for it. Is another warm one as we saw back towards the low to mid 80s. Windy as well. Some of those gusts upwards about 25 to even 30 miles per hour. And really that southwest wind also helps us to warm things up for today. Mix of sun and clouds, then for the afternoon into the evening, there's that 20% storm chance, and mainly for our south and our eastern counties for the afternoon, also into the evening. For this morning, we do have that, again, 20% storm chance for the mountains. Really, most of all of us not seeing too much activity. And even that severe thunderstorm warning, that orange box we saw earlier, that has now been dropped and discontinued because this storm does continue to really fade and break apart. You can see here stopped in motion. We talked about just getting clipped here, and I think that's really just the case because this continues a little bit further off towards the north motion compared off towards the east. Even also, we are starting to see a lot of that lightning breakdown, and also that leading edge of the storm there is not as much red, even that purple that we saw earlier across Tennessee. Even this line stretching all the way back down to the south across our really state border. You can also see, if I put it in motion, those storms holding together and breaking apart as they have been approaching all morning. So here's where our rain chance really only stays about 20% for today, and then that cold front back behind, that does cross for the afternoon into the evening. Hour by hour forecast continues to show that motion further off towards the north and the east. Again, lunchtime, afternoon, mix of sun and clouds, temperatures they are warming. Here's that front, you can see that line back behind. Again, 20% chance of just the afternoon, evening, mainly for our south and our eastern counties if we do get some of these storms to really pop up. Very isolated for today. Not widespread by any means. Here's about dinner time and then continuing and really moving that off towards the east. So really most to all of us staying dry for today. Better rain chance that does come for next week. That's for your Tuesday and Wednesday. After today with that cold front, temperatures will be cooler starting tomorrow.